Pods, groups of individuals linked by complex social relationships. The dolphins constantly touch and talk with one another, using a language of clicks and whistles. They're shadowed by yellowfin tuna. The tuna rely on the dolphins to find food. Everyone is searching for the same prey. Lanternfish, the most numerous fish on the planet,